Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.44 more. Automotive diesel will increase by $1.39 and ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up 83 cents. Kerosene is costing 23 cents more. The price of propane will decline 20 cents while butane will increase by 31 cents. Now, oil futures traded higher today after the latest vaccine news fueled hopes for an improvement in the U.S. economy and energy demand. Now, oil for delivery in December gained 39 cents to settle at $41.82 per barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.83. The Canadian sold for $112.62. The pound closed at $196.35, while the euro is going for $178.94. The JSE index gained 6,294 points today, while the junior market index is down 19 points. Among the winners were CAC 2000 9.5% preference shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Key Insurance, Access Financial Services, and NCB Financial Group. And on the losing side were Jetcon Corporation, Community and Workers of Jamaica Cooperative Credit Union deferred shares, Paramount Trading, Derrimon Trading, and Everything Fresh. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.